Chairman. My name is Willis Ojwang, PR Manager at SportPesa. Officially representing the sponsor today. SportPesa and Gor Mahia go a long way. From back in the days, some of the huge milestones in playing international clubs, European clubs, all began by SportPesa's partnership. And we are very much proud of the team. As a person, beyond the employment, beyond work, I'm a die-hard fan of this club. Someone was reminding me on Friday about some bitter memories of a similar final that we had, I think back in 2012 at City Stadium. We all had tense moments, but today I'm so proud. And I bring regards again from Captain, that is Honorable Ronald Karauri. He was not able to make it yesterday, even this day, but definitely he has big plans. When I say big, I mean he has big plans for us in place. I will meet you probably in the course of the week. But I made a pronouncement yesterday that as a parent, when you send your child to school to go and perform well, and they come with a top certificate saying, "Daddy, I became number one," definitely you have to go back to your coffers, you have to go back to your sheep or calf and look at the fattest of them all. Yes? And then definitely slaughter for your son or daughter. That son of ours is Gor Mahia. Definitely, unfortunately, the federation does not have something in place for the winners, but we definitely have something substantial. And I think it will be at a minimum of 3.5 million shillings from SportPesa. Beyond that, we know we are going for the Intercontinental, we are going for the for CAF. Definitely we will hold the hand of Gor Mahia to ensure top performance and even top productivity for the team. Just one thing as I wind up. Every day I know that players wake up very early, and TM can confirm this, to make it to the training ground on time. Simply because looking at the end of the month, at least so that someone and everyone gets their pay and gets something in their pocket in good time. I think authoritatively, I can say that the commitment from SportPesa has never delayed. And number two, as the person who is championing the sponsorship, I have done this before, and I am with the company right now, I will do all it takes. I will do all it takes to ensure that the fully commitment from the sponsorship is fully met. Once again, congratulations, Gor Mahia.